Hi, and thanks for requesting your ebook. It's on your way to you as we speak, and it should be in your inbox anytime. Now let me ask you a very straightforward question. Would you like to be able to monetize your RV instead of having it just sit there costing you money month after month after month? How would you like to turn it into kind of a cash producing machine instead of a cash sucking machine? Because I know for a fact that it is a dream of all RV owners to be able to use it, but then be able to pay for it or be able to get their money out of it and and ideally have it pay for itself. But it is quite a bear to try to have to rent it out by yourself. And then also be able to enjoy it whenever you want and take those trips, because a lot of those RV trips are not that inexpensive, if you know what I mean. If that sounds like something you'd like, where somebody could monetize your RV for you without you having to do anything, keep listening, because my name's Tony. I've been in the timeshare industry for the last 18 years, and I personally helped thousands of timeshare owners, and what I found is a lot of them bought it and then never used it. So what I did is I took their points and I put them on the major platforms like Airbnb and HomeAway, and I've had so much success with my timeshares. I looked into when I watched a webinar of an RV rental, and I found people were having the same problem. And people had, like this guy had been using his RV and was making a ton of money just renting it, and he came up with a system where he could do it on consignment for people that didn't own the $1 million ones. And at first I was a little skeptical, as I didn't know that much about the RV business, and so I didn't know if the same strategy would work. But I applied the same technique I used to grow my timeshare business into $2 million in timeshare rentals. To be able to do it with RVs. We now have a system complete, and I almost gave up a few times till we found the secret sauce that makes it work. And we just use almost the exact same process we've used to help thousands of timeshare owners. And now we have a blueprint to help every RV owner out there get an ROI on their investment, as long as they follow our system and do what we say and let us do all the work. Now you can have the RV you always dreamed of, one that you can get money back out of instead of keep paying for without any of the hassle. Seriously, we do all of the hard work so that you can enjoy. And of course, we make some money off it as well. We split the profits with you, or else it wouldn't make any sense for us to do it. But it's a win-win for everybody, and typically you can make more renting it through us than you could renting it on your own, because we have better systems in place. And so if you're still listening, you're in luck. I'm gonna open it up for about 10 more RVs in the Las Vegas area. So if you'd like to learn more or get in touch with me, you can schedule a call below in my calendar. Be careful, I've only done this once before, but it filled up very quick. So I wish I could take everyone, but unfortunately it's just not humanly possible. There's so much that goes into renting these things out. It takes about 6 to 8 hours to turn one around completely. And it'll be a free call with me. Just call me if you have a late model RV. We don't accept all of them. It has to be a little newer, and we'll see if we're a good fit for you and see if we can go on and build a relationship and partner together. You'll just need to answer a couple questions, and we'll speak, and I'll see you on the other side of this. You can ask any detailed questions you have, all right? Now, go ahead and do it now. Schedule a call. My week's filling up quickly, and hopefully we'll get you one of those 10 spots. All right, thanks. God bless.